Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best Wi-Fi router that gives you the best Wi-Fi coverage range? Then this video is highly made for you. In this video we will do the Tenda RX27 Pro Wi-Fi 6E router setup in very simple and easy way. The Tenda RX27 Pro is a high-speed Wi-Fi 6E router that supports the latest 6 GHz band for faster internet, less interference, and smoother streaming. It's perfect for 4K per 8K videos, gaming, and smart homes with many devices. So watch this video till the end. Firstly, we will unbox the router box. Inside the Tenda RX27 Pro Wi-Fi 6E router box, you get the RX27 Pro router, a power adapter, and a LAN cable for wired connections. It also includes a quick installation guide to help you set up the router easily at home. Now plug in the power adapter and press the power button if available. Wait for the LED to turn solid, usually white or green. Plug the internet cable, ISP/modem, into the blue on port of the router. On your laptop or smartphone, search for the default Wi-Fi SSID on the router label, e.g., Tenda_RX27 Pro_XXXX. Connect using the default Wi-Fi password printed on the label. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type http://192.168.0.1 or http://tendawifi.com. Then press enter. The Tenda Setup Wizard page will appear. You'll be asked to set a router login password. This is not your Wi-Fi password. Enter a strong password, then click Next or OK. Tenda will attempt to auto-detect your internet type, or you can choose manually. One is PPP common in India and some ISPs, like BSNL, Airtel. Second is DHCP/dynamic IP. Most plug-and-play connections, no login required. Just choose this and continue. Third one is static IP used in business networks. Manually enter IP, subnet, and gateway info, provided by ISP. Choose the correct one, then click Next. Now configure your wireless network. Set your 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi name and password. If supported, set up the 6 GHz Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 6E. This band is faster but only supported on newer devices. Click Next or Save. The router will apply the settings and reboot. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. Once rebooted, your new Wi-Fi names will appear on your phone/laptop. Disconnect from the old Wi-Fi. Connect to your new Wi-Fi network using the password you just set. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.